Welcome! In front of me I have Zepp E watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Zepp application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Zepp application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In the settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you should see the list of my devices, and on this list you should see Zepp E watch. Tap on the info icon next to it and make sure that the share system notifications option is enabled. Once this option is enabled, go back to the settings, scroll down, find the Zepp application on the list of apps. It's gonna be at the bottom, tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. And once you're done, you can close the settings. Now we can open the Zepp app on our iPhone. In the app, we can tap on Profile, select our Zepp E watch from the list of devices. On this page, we can find the option called Notifications and Reminder, tap on it, and here we have different types of notifications. We have the incoming call, app alert, incoming SMS, and incoming email. We can tap on incoming call first, and here we can enable the notifications for the calls. To do it, tap on the switch next to incoming call alerts, and if you get any pop-up about the permissions, you will need to allow them. As you can see, we didn't get any, but if you got some, allow the permissions. And you can also enable and disable the option to show the contact information, and you can enable option to delay the alerts. So basically, if somebody calls you on your phone, the watch will wait a certain period of time before it's gonna alert you that you're getting a call on your phone. And you can tap on set delay, and you can select the delay right here. Okay, let's go back. Tap on the app alerts, and here we can enable the notifications for the apps. You have list of apps as you can see, and how it works is basically if you enable the notification, for example, for the YouTube, and you will receive the notification from YouTube on your iPhone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. If you disable it, the notification won't be forwarded to your watch, so you will only see it on your iPhone. That's how it works. So customize it to your liking. Also, if you don't see the application on the list of apps right here, you can scroll all the way down, tap on more apps, and here we have more apps we can allow the notifications for. And if you don't see the app right here, you can also scroll all the way down right here in the app alerts, and you have the other option. This option, basically, if you enable it, it turns on the notifications for every app on your iPhone. So basically, any app that is not on this list will have the notifications enabled, so those notifications will be forwarded to your watch. Okay, let's go back to the notifications and reminder. Next, tap on the SMS, and here we can enable the notifications for the text messages by tapping on the switch. And the last one is email, of course, and we can enable it by tapping on the switch. And once you're done, you should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. We should receive the notification. Let me turn on the do not disturb mode and turn it off quickly, and then try again. Oh, we got it now. We got the notification on our iPhone, and if we wake up the screen on our watch, we also got it on our watch, as you can see. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.